Yeah, okay. We got 8 minutes to talk. Now you can ask and you can ask what you want to ask for me, and let me try to answer your question.
Yeah, definitely. How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English since 2019.
Wow.
Sorry, 2018 to 19. I just particularly I studied English just
Mm-hmm.
for a speaking course. I attended
Mm-hmm.
6 months, and
Mm-hmm.
for grammar, still right now I'm studying the grammar part. That's all.
Okay, you want to improve
Especially
your
for a
grammar.
speaking course, just for 6 months. You can count 6 months.
Okay, that's cool. I don't know even the grammar rules and regulation. I don't know.
Eh, it's not need to just basics. Just you can in a
Yeah.
speaking form. There's no need to grammar
I
parts.
just
That's
want
all.
to improve my spoken English. It's spoken English. I don't want to write in English.
You want to.
And I
My
think,
connection is not good here.
yeah.
I cannot talk with you probably. My connection is not good. You know that here our connection is not stable
Okay.
in the daytime, but at night it's available after 12 p.m.
That's good. How often this platform in a day? How often you use? How often use?
This time night when I got free at the time, especially this time morning time, I use this platform.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I usually use in the morning 9 to 10. 9 to 10. I every day try 2 hours to speak another people and yeah, another countries people.
Let me another question from my side. Why you want to learn English?
Oh, learning English, it's my childhood dream. I want to speak English. you know, it's a joke. But
Yeah, for my side, there's a logic. A language. English is a language. It's important for communication with a foreign country people,
that's cool.
right? And
Yeah.
instead of interest in English, you can, if you interest like in the other science subjects, it will definitely affect your career, like physics, chemistry, math. English is just a language. That's enough. You know, English is better. Right now, your English level is okay. You need to study more.
Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking about I want to improve more and more. I think I don't know how to conversation with foreigner. When it comes to uh, my level English level is, I don't know. I'm not sure. My English is poor. I think my English is very poor. But when it comes to my extraordinary and how can I explain that? Okay, so that is my problem. Sometimes I get stuck to explaining. I can't explain. Yeah.
Right. When you got like that, when you have trouble to explain something in English to English, at the time first is your weakness point is also same. Your weakness point is the vocabulary. You have to explain. You have to explain your vocabulary.
Yeah,
In day
definitely.
per day, you have to learn almost 10 to what you can memorize and use in real life examples with people.
Yeah, definitely. I need a lot of vocabulary. More than 1,050, 500. I think that's enough to speak English. Yeah.
You memorize just by memorizing what you can speak English better. You have to read the paragraph, long paragraph, and their users in the paragraph. You can get new words, new vocabularies, the uses they have, and then you know where this word used and how it's used there.
Yeah,
Then
I do, but
you will definitely
after
remember the uses of
yeah,
the words.
I do that when it comes
By
to
only memorizing the word, by only memorizing the word is useless.
yeah, do read. I read everyday book in the morning, but when it comes to communication, speak English, I forget all those vocabulary.
What did you after complete your proving your after getting same sorry after being the profession in English? What did you? What
Today,
you will do after
today,
being in the profession in English?
today. Oh,
I
when
mean,
I get to speak
what you
English
will
fully,
do after being the profession in English? Yeah,
professional
what's your
English. Yeah, it's
plan?
very neat too. Yeah. Nowadays, I'm thinking about to make a vlog, make video, and pronounce it correct. How to pronounce, and I'm thinking about make video and I want to start my own business, online business. I need to a lot of English.
Oh.
That's a community. Yeah.
Yeah, same plan, same plan. I also wanted to make business after completing my study.
Okay, that's cool. But
Same
I
process.
didn't completed graduation, but it was my fault, I think. So we very need to education. Education is the most important. But
Yeah, you have option. You have so opportunity after completing. You will have option more than us because we are refugees have any opportunities to study higher education. So you are also an Indian. You have anything.
yeah,
You have
I can
many
do.
opportunities, facilities to
Yeah,
study.
I can graduate. But nowadays I don't have much time to go to college, and I'm thinking about online courses, BA and BBA. I'm thinking about that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but for me, my suggestion for you, online is not good for study.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
practically is better. When you
Yeah.
come online at that time,
Yeah.
online mean when you come to learn something from online at that time we are going to other platform like Facebook, Instagrams, etc. Our minds thinks, our mind thought are always negative, not positive.
Yes, definitely, yes. And yeah, you were right. Yeah.
So, by the way, are you living with your parents?
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
How many siblings do you have?
I don't have siblings. I have 2 more brothers, and me. I'm older.
You are the older one in your family.
Yeah, and what about you?
Okay, almost time is up. Now I'm going offline. I have to teach lesson to my student.
Seems like you're good student.
Yeah.
Seems like you're good student.
David, yeah. Bye. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.